Beautiful day, as you said, gorgeous up and down the coast, all the way from Boca up into Sebastian and Vero and back around the lake. Just a few fair weather clouds. There's Boca looking south toward Lauderdale. Jupiter looking north with the inlet lighthouse there. The intercoastal, not a lot of boaters out right now, but I suspect there will be on the weekend. And there's a look a little farther south towards Singer Island, West Palm, and there's a little bit of a breeze coming in, a little choppy along area beaches, a bit of a rip current risk this weekend, and some changes on the way Saturday and Sunday as we get in toward a little bit more in the way of rainfall, especially Sunday. Sunday afternoon looks to be a few soakers and a few rumbles of thunder. The radar quiet, though, if you're heading out on this Friday evening. Beautiful temperatures still hanging on to the 80s, but with that breeze and the humidity, which has stayed very nice all week, it looks like a great way to start the weekend. Tropical weather. We had two systems last night. We had Tropical Depression 12. That's now dissipated. We now have a new tropical storm, though. This is Julia. So we knock another name off the list. And this is a tropical storm that is forecast to become briefly a hurricane as it moves through the southern Caribbean. There's the 5 p.m. track moving very quickly west at 18, moves in around Nicaragua on the weekend and then dissipates after that. But you can see briefly this is expected to become a hurricane before landfall, and then lots of mountains here through Central America should really cut into it. Computer model tracks, the model guidance in pretty good agreement. I mean, some try to bring it back into the Pacific Ocean. That's not unheard of. Others, like GFS, try to bring it back into the Gulf of Mexico. We'll watch it. At this point, it does not appear to be any issue, any player in our weather, though. Water temperatures are very warm. We're talking 80s and approaching 90 degrees in spots, especially where you see the bright red here. So that's a lot of very warm water that this has a chance to tap into. That's why, one of the reasons why we expect a hurricane to form out of this by the weekend. All right, hour by hour forecast, great. A few clouds around. We'll see a clearing sky. Beautiful. Bright moon in the sky, but the full moon is coming up on Sunday evening. So breezy beach and boating conditions, rip current risk, seas about 3 to 4, and choppy, especially offshore in the afternoon. First alert forecast 72. Great evening. The winds drop a little bit. They'll be off the ocean northeast at about 10, and the humidity very pleasant. Tomorrow, showers are possible in the afternoon. Not a lot in the way of big rains, but we will start to see a few showers pop up during the day. That Sunday, things really start to change. We have a little weather maker coming in from the Bahamas that'll bring in some showers on Sunday, full moon night, Sunday evening, and then we're back into something that we haven't seen in a while, afternoon storms each day through next week.